So how can you transfer everything from the iPhone to the iPad? Let me explain and talk about how it would work. If it's your first time in here on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. Well, there are two ways you could approach this. Like, there is the method when you are using the quick start solution, meaning that you open your iPad and you turn it on for the first time. Or if you have the iPad and iPhone set up already, you can set up the iCloud syncing for every single app. So let me start with the latter option. Like if you both have the iPad and iPhone running or sign in with the same Apple account, you can go to the settings, tap on your profile at the top and go to iCloud. And in there, you will have the ability to see what exactly gets synced. So you can enable many different things like the photos, notes, even third-party apps, and all of those things, right? And if you have it turned on both devices, it means that all of the data which you have stored on iCloud or one device will be uploaded to iCloud and will appear on the other. That's a good approach if you already have the iPad and iPhone set up and you just want to move everything right there. But if not, if you want to move every single thing and be completely sure that all of the stuff gets moved over, what you could do is to grab the iPad, go to the settings, general, and a transfer or reset where you can erase all content and settings. So make sure you're not losing any data because this will literally erase everything, right? And after you go through the process, your iPad will behave as a brand new device. And then this will give you the ability to use the quick share, right? So you can go to the quick start page, right? You can see that you can set it up like this, and you will just click on set up with another device. So it's going to look for the iPhone nearby, and that way you can connect your devices and move everything from the iPhone to the iPad. So that is a bit more, I guess, longer to do as a method, but it gets the job done. So if that's the thing that you wanted to do, this is how you could approach this. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.